Keep them moving slowly now. Watch the rear gate. Clear path to corridor 3. Keep the flow steady here.
Yes, Supervisor. It's clear ahead.
The cleaning cycle on Platform 4 is complete. All parameters are within protocol limits. Ensure all tags are scanned before medical prep.
Yes, status is green. Proceeding with the final vaccine.
Temperature is clear, 101.5. Okay. Okay, noted. Let's prep the next one.
Respiration is clear. Logging the results now. We can move her out.
Gait is steady. No signs of discomfort.
Confirmed. Data synchronization complete for this animal.
Blood and health samples are collected safely if required. Medical staff handles procedure with professional care. Sterile tools are used for every sample test. Body condition is optimal. Fitness level confirmed.
Double checked. She's cleared for transport. Verify the heart rate data for cow 7. Data confirmed. It meets the standard. Good. Finalizing the approval now.
Health checks confirmed. All green on the inspection report. Looks good. Proceed to the next section.
There is a slight texture inconsistency here.
Noted, but it still meets the premium grade requirements. Go ahead and move it over.
Raw hides are placed into large rotating water drums. Chemical balanced water removes dirt and impurities. The sulfide levels are stable, but the pH is slightly high in tank 3.
I see it. Adjust the flow rate by 5%.
Clean water sprays remove chemical residues. Neutralizing agents balance pH of material. Drum washers rotate slowly for full cleaning, then workers check texture softness by hand.
Check the timing system here, it looks slightly off.
Yeah.
I'm adjusting the dial now, it should synchronize.
There's a spot right here. Okay, I'll buff it out now.
Special oils are applied for softness enhancement. Machines stretch leather for flexibility improvement. Fiber conditioning improves durability and feel. Leather moves into bag and accessory section. Workers stitch panels using industrial precision machines. Designers oversee.
All right, bring it straight back to the inspection zone.
Copy that, moving it now.
Cut horn pieces are cooled in controlled chamber. Temperature stabilizes internal structure. Material becomes firm for carving process. Tamandras. Skilled artisans refine each horn piece manually. Fine tools smooth curves and edges. Workers ensure perfect